Hi everyone, my name is Yam Nivas 20951 82150. Subject Mathematical Transform Techniques. Topic Application of Geometrical Model of Bounded Region of Curves by Double Integral. Double integral. Double integral is mainly used to find the surface area of 2D figure. It is denoted by double integration. We can easily find the area of a rectangular region by double integration. If we know simple integration, then it will be easy to solve double integration problems. So first of all, we will discuss some basic rules of integration. Integration is very important part of calculus. There are many types of integrations like simple integration, double integrations. Double integrals are as volume. One use of the single variable integral is calculate the area under the curve f of x over some interval a comma b by integrating f of x over the intervals. Sometimes we use double integrals to calculate area as well, but the approach is quite different. A given figure is shows the graph of double integrals from a to b f of x. Areas. If f of x comma y is equals to 1 in the integral double integration f of x comma y dx dy, then the double integral gives the area of region R. The area of type I region figure 1 can be written in the form of a is equals to integration of a to b integration of g of x to h of x dy dx. Similarly, the area of type 2 region is given by the formula a is equals to, here the given figure shows that integration from a to b double a, and figure 2 shows that integration of c to d. Here the limits are a to b are then y is equals to g of x to y of h of x, and x is equals to p of y is equals p of y to q of y. Here this shows that horizontal figure and vertical figures. Applications. Application of double integration to geometrical model. Assume that functions f of x comma y and g of x comma y are integratable in over the rectangular region R, S and T are subregions of R, and assume that M and capital M are real numbers. The sum of f of x comma y plus g of x comma y is integratable, and integration double integration of f of x comma y plus g of x comma y dA. If R is equals to S union T and S intersection T is equals to phi, except an overlap on the boundaries, then double integration of R of f of x dA is equals to double integration of s into f of x comma y dA plus double integration of t of f of x comma y dA. Fourth, if f of x comma y less than or equal to, in the case where f of x comma y can be factored as a product of a function g of x only and a function h of y and y only, then over the region R is equals to x comma y, a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, c less than or equal to y less than or equal to d. The double integral can be written as double integration of f of x comma y dA is equals to integration of g of x comma dx. Thank you.